through southeast Ellsworth County about an hour ago. And we got the phone lit up, and hi, you're on the air. Go ahead. Hello?
I think that's Matt.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Jerry.
This is Jerry. Hang with me. There's a tornado coming down out of the wall cloud over by Solomon. If you go to camera number 1, once I get past the trees here, if I still have the signal, you'll see it. It's a huge thing. It's a funnel cloud coming out, and it'll be on the left side here. Just a second, unless it's sucked right back up.
I think actually,
You see it?
yeah, and Matt, I think has a better view of it from his location. I think you guys are looking at the same thing from a different location. Where are you looking at, Jerry?
I'm on the highway just north of Solomon, and I'm heading north. In fact, it's Downer Road, right, or Dahmer Road, and I am heading north. And if I just a little second here, you'll be able to see this huge funnel that's coming out, and you got to really go to Salina Post on count. Oh, boys and girls, look at this. You see it from the backside?
Actually, it looks like your camera's frozen right now.
Okay, I will reset it, but there's a huge tornado on the ground over by Solomon. I'll let you get out of here, guys.
Yeah, reset that. Let us look at that. That's, I think, what Matt's looking at, too. I think he was trying to give us a call a while ago. You can go ahead and give us a call again, Matt, and we'll take a look at that. But that looks like that's exactly what he's looking at in his Storm Tracker 2 as well. Let's see here. I'm looking right now at the radar, and if they're looking right...
Yeah, let's go to the phone here. Is this Matt?
Yeah, this is Matt.
Go ahead, Matt.
Guys, this is a large tornado on the ground north of Solomon.
Large
I
tornado
can't
on
tell
the
how many
ground north of
miles
Solomon.
north of Solomon, but we're going to start heading that direction. It is on the ground. It's not small.
All right. Well, thank you for that. Appreciate that, Matt.
Yep.
It is 7:13 here at 910 KI. Oh, there's a... There it is. Yeah, it's a
You can see it
stovepipe
now.
tornado that you can see on the ground north of Solomon. And, it's a
Looks
definite...
like there's another one.
Yeah, it looks like there's a second one trying to get going. So,
Yeah, but you can definitely see that. There's no doubt.
large bowl funnel with swirls on the ground reported by a chaser 4 miles northwest of Solomon in Ottawa County. So, right there at the Dickinson County, Ottawa County, Saline County line, that's where the most intense part of this particular storm activity is at this time. So, I want to zoom in on my radar. I had it off at the big view here. Yeah, I can see where. There's definitely there. Yeah, I see 2 notches, and I'm thinking with what Matt had, the 2 different notches that I'm seeing on my radar view are probably the 2 things that are the funnels that we're seeing right now up there in northwestern Saline or northeast Saline County and into northwestern Dickinson County, as well as multiple views of big stovepipe tornado on ground northeast of Niles. Train Spotters Amateur Radio. That is as of 7:14. Stovepipe tornado on the ground northeast of Niles. Train Spotters report that on the ground as of 7:14, which is right this time.
You see a pretty good view of it right there on the on Matt's camera on Storm Tracker 2. And guys, we'll let you know, both of you, let you both know that your video, I don't know if it's because we got a lot of people looking, over 400 people on each video, but we're starting to, it's kind of frozen up again. So if you guys want to reset while you're doing that, I'm going to look at my camera and Randy.
Yeah, we got some members of the Saline County Mounted Patrol here, and I know you had a rodeo set for tonight. Is it still going, or what's happening?
Well, it's still going. We're going to go ahead and start it at 8 o'clock p.m. So anybody that wants to come, why, we're ready to ride.
Excellent. So they're going to let anything stop you from riding tonight. Yeah.
Nothing stop us.
All right.
Well, gentlemen, thank you very much. Appreciate it. And the rodeo is still a go, and I'm glad the city of Salina dodged, but I
I think
thought
we did dodge one here.
I thought was going to be
Look at that, Randy.
a bad one. Yeah,
That's his latest
like, Matt's view has got, that's looks like three vortices on that tornado where he's at heading north of Solomon right now. Let's see, new tornado warning. This is basically it's the same. The Weather Service in Topeka keeps saying the same thing over and over with the warnings for Dickinson County as well as Ottawa County.
Well, I would say that those storms that right now they were heading north from Solomon. I would say that those storms right now are directly north of Solomon, maybe